Hello there. Today I would like to show you how to make a backup on your WordPress website and then how to restore from that backup in case if you got uh, your website crashed, or let's see if you made some changes today and you didn't like that, you don't like those changes whatever you have done today, and then you would like to bring the same website that you had, let's see, before making that changes, or yesterday or a month ago, whichever. um, by the way, this is my very first video on YouTube, so if I make a mistake I do seek for an apology. So let's do it. uh, I'm going to use Google Chrome. You can open whichever web browser that you like. uh, Let me show you what website we are going to make a backup. So this is called Comfort Mobile. Quite a small website, only has 2 pages, so the backup should not be very much. As you can see, not many pictures, just 2 or 3 banner pictures and then 2 or 3 small pictures down there. Not much of the content as well, but regardless, let's go into the admin page of this um, website. By the way, just to let you know that I will have a description of the second video regarding the backup, and this will be how to restore. Since I wanted to have 2 short videos, if you want, so you can choose whichever you like to watch, how to make a backup or how to restore it. So I will have a description down there. Let's log in into the WordPress. Once you are on your dashboard, go into your plugins and let's see what we have. Do we have any backup plugins? uh, I do not. So go and click add new. The plugin that I am going to use for this backup, and which I really like quite a lot, it worked good for me, but I mean, you can choose whichever you like. There are quite a few plugins. The plugin is BACK up backup WordPress. Okay, once you click that, that is the plugin that we are going to use, and made by Human Made Limited. If you want to go into more details, you can go and view that. But quite a good 5-star rating of 609 people says 5-star. So let's install that. The version that I am installing is 3.2.4. This version did have some issues and bugs. It was not working probably for about a week and a half, but today it is working fine. So we will click and activate plugin, and here you goes. It came in backup WordPress. You can start doing your backups 2 ways. Right over here it says backup, or you can go into tools and click on backup. Either way, it will take you to the plugin screen, and I'm not going to do the daily database backup, but I'll do a weekly complete backup. And when you go there, there are different options: run now, settings, excludes, delete. I would probably not do anything in excludes. I would like to have everything like let's see, if I click on any of those folders, it will exclude that folder, but I would not suggest, unless you are quite an expert, and then you can exclude that. So let's go into settings, and what this will do, it will do backup both the database and files, or just files, or only database. So I'll keep as default, and I'll do both database and files. Schedule once weekly. It's your choice. You can do either manual, once hourly, twice, whichever you're comfortable with. I'll just keep it as manual. And how many backups it will keep uh, on the server, so it says 3. I'll just keep it default, and it will send you a notification on your email when it will finish, which is again, if you like to put your email, it will send you an email. I'll just leave it blank, and I simply go and click on run now. It all depends how big your website is. My website, as I showed you, only has 2 pages, so it should not take long at all. Probably about a minute and a half. If you have a lot of pictures and a lot of pages, then for sure it will take more time. So as you can see, my backup is finished, and over here one backup came in. Let's click on that, and here you go. We just made our very first backup, April the 4th, and 207, which is right here now, 207. And the size of this backup, remember this is a compressed file, so the size will be a bit more than 24 mbps, MBs, I'm sorry. And it shows that it has database and files. um, I would download that backup and save it on a safe location, on your USB, on your Dropbox, or whichever cloud you know um, spaces that you're using it, or simply on your computer. So let's download that backup and see if it has the file which we needed, which it should be. um, the file that usually is needed to restore your backup is called, um, the name of the file, and then the extension is SQL database file. um, I'm just gonna show you where that file is, because that file is needed when you will be restoring your backup. So pretty easy here. We have seen that it's very easy to back up your entire website in just about 2-3 minutes, and we are just waiting for that file to be downloaded, and it's almost done now. Here you go. So open the folder. It went into my downloads, and I will extract all those ones, and it's still gonna go into downloads, and this one, so extract it. It's gonna take about a minute again to extract all those files. Now the next video that I will be showing you, how to um, import that backup in case if you need it. I will also be showing you, I will make a small change in my website, and then I will retrieve that backup, and then I'll show you that once we have retrieved that backup, before making that change, so that everything came back and that backup worked good. Okay. Okay, it's 39%. By the way, to restore this backup, what you need is, you can write it down. You need a user login and password information for your cPanel um, of your website, and depends of your hosting company. We will go into my PHP admin area. That's where we will be going, and we will be importing our backup. So a lot of hosting companies, when you go into cPanel, you do not need any other user ID and password for PHP admin. But in case if you do need, please contact your hosting company, so you make sure that you do have the login information for PHP um, admin area, so you can restore your backup if needed. Okay, so 90%. Perfect. So this is our entire website backup that we just got, and this is the SQL server SQL file that I was just talking about. You can see that there are a lot of files in each folder, but we all we need is basically this file, and that will do a trick. This is a very small, looks like a very small file, but that's how the SQL servers are, and that file will do the trick. And we will do this one in our next video. uh, Thank you very much. If you like this video, if this helped you, please give me a like, and hope to see you